Escape from the busy areas. Welcome to Kelan Village, a hidden gem between the airport and Ngurah Beach. Watch local fishermen sail on their traditional boats. See peninsula and GWK from a distance. Here, time slows down, white sand, gentle waves, and fewer tourists. It's a perfect place to surf, relax, and witness the magic of sunset over the Jimbaran to Uluwatu Peninsula. You'll see flights landing and taking off a dance between nature and motion. And don't miss this. You can ride a camel in Bali, not in the Middle East. Kelan Village, where simplicity meets wonder.